Northeast Asia, you must prepare because earthquake tsunami will happen soon. And when it happens, the water wave high mile up to the sky. Many nations will be sink in the ocean, and Northeast Asia will be the worst. But also, disaster around the world continue. War and economic corruption and many problems continue because the sign of the end is star now, and also the end star now. That's why this image appear in the sky. You see, this is the Holy God Jesus Christ, and this is the heat. Attack the earth right here. You see right here the sign of the heat. This is the heat from the sun and the heat of the universe attacking the earth. And that's why it will be earthquake, tsunami, water wave, high mile up to the sky, and especially around Northeast Asia will be the worst. And this is Red China, North Korea, and Japan, and this area is Russia up here. Anyhow, anyway, this is no joke, and you all must get on the website and learn right away because the heat of the sun continue to attack the earth, and earthquake, tsunami, water wave, high mile up to the sky will happen soon. It could happen anytime. Anyhow, anyway, this is the website right now. You must get on the website and learn right away. At the same time, take good action. You need to deliver this wonderful message, and this most important message to all the brothers and sisters around the world to know as soon as possible. Remember, only the Holy God, Jesus Christ, can save you and save your family and save your country and especially save your soul. So this is no joke. Today is October 28th, year of 2014. This is Brother Jimmy, the prophet of God. The Almighty God tell me to telling you